Hey, what's up, y'all? It's like negative 8.6 outside, and there's a windstorm, which really don't help nothing. But we got some rain. I'm about to go look at the creek, see what it's looking like. Oh, my ears is cold. I should have wore a hood. Said it's pretty high, but I don't know. Oh yeah, it is pretty high. It don't look like it's flowing much though, which is pretty good for a good thing for riding in it, I reckon. I ain't backing over there though, because it'll be real deep, and I don't feel like having to climb that wall, which will be pretty difficult. Hopefully everything goes right and this thing still runs in the water good. Oh, it really ain't even that deep right here. I guess that means we need to go this way. This is really the first time I've tried the Aztecs out in deep water. And I want to see how floated they are. I'm gonna hop off real quick and see if it floats any. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, it's pretty floaty. I need to let more air out of them. I think I'm gonna put like 0 PSI in them. That's the only thing about running 32s. Are these leaking water? I swear I feel water on my feet, but it could just be so cold. Oh, we'll figure out if they're leaking water real soon. Alright, we gotta be careful here. If it's even deep over here. And it should be. Yeah, it's kinda. Dang, this camera keeps slipping down. This brings back memories, I ain't even gonna lie. I really missed water riding. I just wish it was warmer. I wish we could have had water like this all summer. Actually, never mind, I didn't even have my four-wheeler for most of the summer. It was like the end of summer when I had my four-wheeler. I ain't rode in the water in so long. Oh, we're on the route. How deep is it? It ain't too deep. We'll floor it. I would back in over there if the road on the sidewall wasn't so bad. I might try and go duck hunting in the morning, but it looks awfully low for there to be ducks in here. Alright, I got a big cautious with this and make sure we get in the rut. It used to be way deeper right here when there were ruts. I'm gonna hop off when it's this deep and see how bad it floats. Oh dang. Pretty bad. I had an idea, but I don't know if I want to try it. I think I am though. Ooh. I'm just laying on the seat. Ooh. Hold up, y'all. I think I might need to hit that some more and mess around more. I gotta think of something to try. First, I gotta tighten this GoPro. Oh, my hands are cold taking that glove off. Dang it, I got tangled. Give me a minute. There we go. Alright, let's go back in there. Dang, my face is cold now. I need to go back there where the wind ain't blowing as much. This thing turns to 32s pretty good in the water. In first gear at least. And reverse, I ain't tried second. It really turns them good in reverse, but probably the best gear. Doing that again. That was actually really fun. I'm just pretty much whiskey throttling it. I'm just kidding. I'm just mashing the throttle real hard and hoping for the best. And wheeling it. Put it in reverse. I might just do that same thing again. Well, yeah, well, peace out. I'll see you on the next video. If y'all enjoyed, leave a like and sub.